Hello guys, it's Panic Gaming. Welcome to I just got back from school and I'm sorry I haven't made a video that much. I'm so sorry everybody. I'm here back at home if you cannot hear my mom's voice. So yeah. I don't know what we're gonna do here. Minecraft doesn't work for me and I'm trying to make a video here, mother. Yeah, right now I don't care. Let's do an animal jam here, people. Get rid of it. Get rid of it. Okay. Let's do an animal jam. Play wild. Episode. I think I made seven. Work. Wait. I don't know. If that's copyrighted, I'm sorry. This, Mom, look at me. This is his face. My school. Thank you. My volume is down. Sorry, everybody. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Do. Let's play. And guys, today I'm not covering. Mom, stop looking at me when I'm recording here. Pues. Pues, Mama, I am your daughter. Okay, we have a treasure hunt to do. Yeah, I don't want that. I want the lion fountain. Dang it. That is so. Oh, I can get a spear or something. I believe I can fly. And just so you know, everybody, let's see what's in the ships today. No, not my journal. I will not. No, but I already did that. Whoopsie. Fort. Oh, that's the way to the tree house. Fuck, can I kiss it? I will. No. No, you don't go there. Bye-bye. Okay. Hi. You got the armor. Yeah, it's hideous. Why do you even wear that? Let's check here. But you won't forget. I don't know why that. Yeah, I gotta get this today. I gotta try to get this. I'll do a part 2. People, let's go play some games and I'll show you my land right now. Okay, everybody, I designed it so. Will you be asking where are my stuffed animal collection? Well, they're inside. Plus, it was almost my birthday, and it was past my birthday today, so I put my one birthday cake and my carriage, and like if it's a party, food, and yeah, and you can sit here, and there's a random orange panda, which is not someone else. Bye bye. Oh, plus this is so cool. Look at it. Look at it. I swear I have another one, but I forgot where it is. Where is it? Okay, let's go play some stuff. Let's get some. Let's. Plus, these are the. This is the first game. The new game. Oh, what did I just press? Well, whatever I just pressed. Oh, come on! I hate it. I never win. If you hear some noise in the background, just ignore that. If it's copyrighted music, also don't. Yeah. Skip the phantoms. Guys, I also think that the phantoms are destroying. Also turns this kill animal jam. So they can kill. So it can be the phantom animal jam. Stupid phantom. Well, you know that thing that I have to press it. They should do it like this. They should affect the phantoms when I let it go. They should affect the phantoms, and yeah. Why? Like when you have like wings on your back, everybody. Oh no! I got hit by a phantom. When you have wings, you should be able to fly instead of jump since I'm a bunny. No, dang it. That was my only chance. No, please don't hurt me. Yeah, they should affect the phantom. And they should. Thank you for your donation. That's not. Oh no, it's starting to go faster, everybody. No. It keeps going faster. No, I'm not hit by another phantom. Oh, I'm dead. The phantoms got me. Well, quit. The phantoms got me. You know, like Phantom Freddy. Just kidding. See what we have here. Wait, we're gonna go back to the shops because I forgot where we're trying to go by. Let me see.